Did you know that some robot vacuums under $500 0 cents can clean better than ones twice their price? Yep, that's right. Today we're diving into the best robotic vacuums you can buy on Amazon without blowing your budget, whether you've got pets, kids, or just hate vacuuming, don't we all? I've rounded up the top contenders. All the links are in the description. Check them out below. Let's find out which one truly sucks in the best possible way. On number 6, WYZE Robot Vacuum with LiDAR mapping. Let's kick things off with the WYZE Robot Vacuum, a surprisingly smart option that offers premium navigation technology for its budget price. It uses LiDAR mapping to scan your home and navigate with exceptional precision, providing systematic and reliable coverage across all rooms. The 2100 PA suction power performs well on both hard floors and tackling debris embedded in low-pile carpets. While it relies on you to empty the bin and doesn't feature voice assistant integration, it earns major points for its stable and effective mobile app, which lets you easily schedule cleanings, precisely map up to 3 floors, and set highly accurate no-go zones. This level of navigation accuracy is usually reserved for higher-priced models. Compared to others on this list, WYZE shines in its core job. Reliable, accurate vacuum, but lacks the extra automation bells and whistles. It's perfect for small apartments or budget-conscious pet owners who value consistency and a strong navigation system over mopping or self-emptying. On number 5, Roborock Qrevo 2, R3, W Robot Vacuum and Mop. Coming in hot at number 5 is the Roborock Qrevo 2 R3W, a powerhouse designed for hands-off convenience and mopping excellence. This multitasking beast comes with a large, feature-rich dock that handles self-emptying of dust, auto-mop washing, and air drying, significantly reducing weekly maintenance. Its powerful 5,500 power suction is combined with dual spinning mop pads that apply downward pressure, making it ideal for deep cleaning hard floors and scrubbing dried stains. The advanced 3D mapping and app control allow for highly customizable cleaning routines. However, while the spinning mop pads are great on hard surfaces, they do not lift high enough to effectively clean medium pile carpets or avoid getting them wet, and its obstacle avoidance, while decent, still tends to miss tiny items like cables or socks. It's a great choice for folks who primarily have hard floors and value superior mopping and a truly hands-off convenience over all-out deep carpet suction. Number 4, Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you're looking for a feature-packed robot that brings elite tech to the lower price bracket, say hello to the Dreame L20 Ultra. This machine is built like a cleaning tank with a monstrous 7,000 PA suction and a high-end mop extend system that physically pushes its mop pad out to deep clean corners and edges areas most robots notoriously miss. It smartly detects carpets and automatically lifts its mop pads to a height of up to 10.5 mm to ensure they don't get wet. Its station provides full automation. It washes, dries, and refills the robot's water tank. It handles large debris like a champ and glides around obstacles using precise LiDAR and AI smarts, though small items can still trip it up. Compared to the Roborock Qrevo, the Dreame offers better, more aggressive mopping with its corner cleaning tech, but the full dock demands more space and often a slightly higher price. If you're dealing with mixed flooring and want elite, automated mopping features, this is the budget-conscious luxury pick. On number 3, Roborock S8 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Now let's talk balance, especially for homes with mixed flooring and shedding pets. The Roborock S8 seamlessly blends high-power vacuuming with advanced mopping. It features a robust 6,000 power suction combined with the innovative duo roller brush system, twin rubber brushes that minimize hair tangling and excel at agitating and lifting debris from deep within carpets. The mopping is handled by Roborock's Viberized sonic scrubbing system, which vibrates the pad at up to 3,000 times per minute for better stain removal than a standard drag mop. Reactive AI 2 obstacle avoidance adds brains to the brawn, recognizing common home hazards like shoes and cables. The S8 is slightly behind the Dreame L20 Ultra in mopping tech, lacking the extending mop arm, but takes a clear lead in overall obstacle handling, carpet performance, and pet hair pickup thanks to the Duo Roller. If you're a pet owner who prioritizes deep carpet cleaning and reliable smart features, this is a phenomenal, powerful daily driver. On number 2, Yeedi. M12 Pro Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Yeedi's M12 Pro Plus is an unexpected powerhouse wrapped in a surprisingly compact package, delivering features usually found on the most expensive robots. It brings an industry-leading 11,000 PA of extreme suction power, making it incredibly effective at deep cleaning crevices and high-pile carpets. It also features zero-tangle technology and a specialized V-shaped roller brush, which is a lifesaver for pet parents dealing with excessive hair. The included mini Omni station is its highlight, as it completely empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads with a hot water option, and dries them with hot air. The True Edge deep mopping system uses a uniquely shaped mop that extends outward to cover corners beautifully. That said, while its brute suction is impressive, its overall hard floor mopping consistency and carpet scrubbing depth aren't quite as refined as the Roborock S8. This one's perfect for large, busy homes with pets that need extreme suction and maximum automated maintenance. On number 1, Roborock Q5 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Taking the crown for the best affordable robot vacuum is the Roborock Q5 Pro, the ultimate sweet spot of power, precision, and unbeatable price-to-performance ratio. It brings a powerful 5,500 PA suction, which is exceptional for this price category, and combines it with the highly effective duo roller brush system for superior pet hair pickup and carpet agitation. Its core strength lies in its consistency. Top-tier LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping ensure perfect coverage every time. It runs for an incredible 240 minutes on one charge, easily covering very large homes. While its snap mop system is a simple water drag mop, it is enough for daily dust suppression. What truly sets the Q5 Pro apart is its core cleaning competency. It performs all the necessary vacuuming tasks, especially deep cleaning carpet and hair removal, with a reliability and efficiency that rivals more expensive units. If you want dependable, high-quality, hands-free cleaning without draining your wallet, this is the definitive winner. So, who's the winner? Out of all these contenders, the Roborock Q5 Pro stands tall as the best robot vacuum under $500. 0 cents. It strikes the perfect balance between powerful suction, superior pet hair performance thanks to the duo roller, usability, and unbeatable value. And that's exactly what most people are looking for in a reliable daily cleaner. So, what do you think? Would you go with the simple, budget-friendly WYZE, the feature-packed Yeedi, or stick with the reliable Roborock Q5 Pro? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more awesome gadget guides, and share it with someone who hates vacuuming as much as you do. All the links are in the description. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.